The world moves fast, too fast. It's all concrete, all deadlines, all day. But out here, on the trail, away from the noise, you remember what matters: the silence, the fresh air, and the tools you can stake your life on. I don't carry junk, never have. Every piece of kit in this pack has to earn its weight. That's the rule of the backcountry. If it's not top tier, it stays home. That's why the YOUSUNLONG folder is always riding shotgun. It's not just a knife, it's a commitment to quality, a pact with the wild. Look at this blade. That swirling pattern, that's Damascus, not some knockoff print. This high carbon steel is the real deal, forged, folded, and cryo-treated. That's engineering for a wicked sharp edge that doesn't just cut, it lasts. Most folks don't know what goes into keeping an edge like this. It's the hours of heat treatment, the process that gives the steel its mojo, its toughness, and its perfect flex. This knife has been through the fire. It knows what tough means. It's truly dialed in. Then there's the handle. This is where the earth meets your hand. This is natural material. You get that deep, rich grain. Maybe it's the black ebony. Maybe it's the olive wood. But you know it's premium. We didn't just slap a piece of plastic on it. We honored the material. You feel that grip? That's confidence. That connection? It's solid, no wiggle. CNC machined for a fit so flawless it feels custom. It means when you're out here and you need it fast, it performs. No questions asked. Now let's talk about the reward. The grub. After you've put in the miles, after you've crushed that trail, you're not messing around with a dull edge. You want surgical precision. You want to eat like a king. The YOUSUNLONG is built for this moment. Watch how it just falls through the meat. No drag, no crushing the fibers. That's the difference between a high carbon core and everything else. It's effortless. It's butter. It's not just about sharpness. It's the dignity of the cut, the elegance. We're not slopping around out here. We eat well. We live well. It's easy peasy to clean up and it locks down tight for the hike home. The YOUSUNLONG folding knife. High performance, zero compromise. It's the best damn folder you'll ever own. Go find your quiet. Don't leave home without it.